Hi everyone, my name is Jason LaRue and I'm the president of the USC Baha'i Club. The Baha'i Faith, if you're not familiar, is a world religion that was founded back in 1844 in ancient Iran. Among other things, we believe in the oneness of all humanity, the oneness of all religion, the fundamental equality of men and women, and the fundamental equality of all races. We also believe in the harmony of science and religion, the importance of education, and the elimination of all prejudice. The club itself is pretty laid back. We meet up once a week just to talk, discuss each other's weeks, and then say a couple prayers. Every semester we'll meet up once or twice to go get dinner. We go to Trio House or something like that. And then sometimes we'll have notable Baha'is come in and talk to us. Last year we had Rainn Wilson come, Dwight from The Office, and he chatted with us for a bit. And yeah, it's a fun time, very chill, and we're very open to people that are new to the faith. So if you're interested, we'd love to have you. And if you have any questions, you can email me at jasonlar@usc.edu. Thanks so much, and fight on.